All right, so this is Gracie's birdhouse that she made. I'm showing everybody a birdhouse. Come here, show everybody, tell you your birdhouse. Now they were missing a plank, but guess what we found right there? We found a ruler that worked out perfectly.
There are some colors that I want to do. If I'm going to do a red, I want to do a certain.
Where are the colors at? Show them the colors we're gonna do on it. We're gonna make it all better. I mean, we're gonna make it look a lot better.
So, here's some colors. There's some colors.
Looks like a deluxe condominium for a bird.
There's colors here, and here. And then there's colors here. I really like these two colors. But if I was going to do a blue thing, then I would want this part to be, I would want this one to be in there. And then I would want this one to either be like on the sides, and then a blue.
What about this one here? Isn't that the one I liked?
No, this one's. I wanted this one to be.
Oh
on
no,
the
that's
top.
the one I like. That's the Poseidon blue.
And then this one to be on the top.
You want that on the top?
No,
really?
Well, on the back or something. Then this one can be on the back, and then this one or something can be on the top. That's only if I'm doing blue, though. But if I'm doing like a red.